Let's see. We're starting on the weekly time frame. A very beautiful chart. Seemingly, just looking at it by me looking, you can see that it is going down since this is an uptrend. Now it's moving on the downside, as you all can see on the weekly time frame. We're just trying to get the true the true. Let me just attend to my battery before my laptop collapses. So we see that on the weekly time frame we have a very descending structure, a very beautiful descending structure, and right here we're trying to achieve the market direction, because without the direction we cannot be able to place trades. So now on the weekly time frame, let's go use the line chart and see how the market is really moving. Okay. Okay, as you can see, all can see that the market is going down. With its movements here, we have lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low. So we're expecting the market to come make a lower low here, as you can see. Or rather, you can just use this one, up, down, up, down. So we're expecting the market to come down here. Basically, we would have expected that if this pattern continued to just go down, but now you see that the market is trying to go up. Let's just figure out what that means. I'll go back to our candles. Before you understand what's happening this side, you should be able to understand what has been happening this side. So this side, we're going to be looking at imbalance. We're going to be looking at order blocks. Why the market rejected from here? So trying to find that out, we're just going to use this horizontal line here and see why the market rejected. So what I'm trying to achieve here is to see a very strong support, or rather an order block of some sort that is going on here, because definitely the market has been rejecting on this horizontal line here. As you can see, it went up, it retest, it broke, retest, went up, and now came here, rejected, came here, rejected. So now that's what we have on the weekly. Let's go down to the daily. On the weekly, we're writing down. It's good to take note of what's happening in each and every time frame so that everything corresponds at the end. So now we're gonna go down. What are we looking for at the daily? Same thing, because we're gonna take when we eventually decide to take a trade, it should correspond with all the time frames. That's how you transition at the time frames. Everything should make sense, come up together. You understand? So on the daily time frame, make sure you're not too zoomed out, too zoomed in. You just have to see the market for what it really is. So basically, going back to the left-hand side, we're gonna see what why the market rejected. I'm just trying to achieve that right now. I wanna see this order block here, which caused the market to go back. You can't understand the future without understanding the past. That's one thing I'm going to tell you right now. So this was the order block that the market created, and yeah, actually it's here. So for more like what can I say, for more intel on the order blocks and everything, you might as well join to our community where I break down my strategy and everything. So now I'm just trying to break down and tell you what I'm going to be expecting for the week. Already we've done analysis with the community, and yeah, we just know what's happening for the week. So this has been, you may call it your resistance support, which the market created, as we call it, an order block. So this is an order block which the market created. So here, what happened was, it was It was a resistance, as you can see that it tried. Okay, let me just show you what I mean. So here, this has been resistance, as you can see. If I go back, you can see that this has been a resistance. Now, the market came, rather came up, couldn't get the off yet, couldn't break it, came up again, couldn't break it, but now it broke it. After breaking it, it retested it. So now this is now this resistance has become a support. That's why the market broke, retest, and then went up again and came back to retest it again and went up. So this signifies how strong now, how this resistance has become a support. Hence, that's why this side now, hence this side, we were able to come back to this now, which is now a support, to retest it. You know, you see that it has been retesting, and it has shown a good sign of a strong support. It came back, rejected, it came back, rejected. So now the market is from here we should be able to see where it's going to reject for a down movement. Understand? So basically now on the daily time frame, we were able to see, or rather find out, how the resistance has become a support. We're still on a downtrend, and now we have to come a little bit closer to the market now to see the current move, what the market is planning to do, and how the institution are going to kill all those retail traders out there. Not in a bad way, but yeah, you retail traders are a very good target, man. You just do your thing well. You just give us money every day. So yeah. So looking at what's happening now on the daily time frame, I can see multiples of order blocks. Order blocks. This one right here, we have an order block right here. But this one I'd like to change. Okay, not this one. Want it to look like this. Okay. So yeah, that's one order block right there. I clone those. I see another one here. Of course, if you don't understand what an order block is, you might as well join the community. How you want to join the community? By clicking the link on the banner, in the banner up there. My WhatsApp group there. You're gonna get in. We're gonna chat and see where we can help you. Where we can help you so that you can understand what you're doing. One advice I would like to give you is that whenever you don't understand, just stay at the market, man. Stay at the market. So the market it has shown signs of respecting this order block, because it came back, now it rejected. So what does that mean? What does that mean is that we should go down to the 4 hour, because now the market has given some sort of direct, some sort of information with regards to what is happening. You understand? So now we're going down to the 4 hour and see what the 4 hour is giving us there. So the 4 hour, we can see that this order block now should further be what's called filtered out. As you can see that okay, this here, it was mitigated, this order was mitigated. Hence, a new order block was created. Understand? A new order block was created. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel, and share this video to everyone who's willing to understand what Forex is. This is Project X, the only child the market, man. Only child the market. So what happened here? We've seen a great rejection from this zone, which we took this one as a community. We took this trade as a community. Well, what else do we have here? So looking from this, all can see now the market is starting to form downward movement. We have a channel here, which the market is creating, which is a downtrend. So basically, that's what I'm seeing right now. Oh, with this movement. Okay, so we have this order block, which was mitigated obviously by this candle, this bullish candle. So now we're going to look for another order block, which the market did not, or rather showed the resistance and support. So here, what I can see is that there was a support which was broken. There was a resistance which was broken, pardon me. There was a resistance which was broken, and yeah, this was it. This was the market here has proven to be a resistance, a very strong one, a very strong one. As you can see, the market from here tried to go back, it couldn't. It couldn't breach. It couldn't breach. This was just a fake out. It couldn't. It couldn't. It's been failing to break this resistance, as you can see. But here, what happened was it breached. And then what? After breaking that resistance, it's going to make it a support. It tested it and then went up again. It came back, retested it, and went up again. Now it came back. What's happening? It's going up again. So now this resistance has become our support. Okay, what does that tell us? It's telling us that the market is likely to happen to go up now, and see how it reacts in this support. It might come to the support and go down again, or it might break this resistance and make it a support, retest it and go up again. So basically now we have two scenarios which we have to look deep into. Again, if you don't understand what's happening, don't force trades, don't trade. If you don't understand what's happening, don't trade. So now we've broken okay, this was broken. So basically we have to see how the market is going to play out in this move right now. So basically what the market is giving me yet is that it might I'll show you a screenshot where my previous analysis where I'd expected I shared with the group. This is what I'm expecting. Actually, I'm expecting something like this: a move up, then retest, and then go up, or something like this. Why to this end? Because here we have what? An order block. The market has to come and test this order block before continuing to the upside. The market now is imbalance. It's not balanced. So that's created this imbalance here. The only buyers in the market, so it wasn't at equilibrium. So whenever there's going to be a move in the market should be balanced, like equal buyers and sellers. So here the market has shown that it's not balanced, and what we're trying to achieve is that we need to achieve a balanced market. So this is a lot for you. Just don't hesitate texting me on the app, and then I'll give you a full course of the strategy. That's been working for me for the past 2 years, and I've been profitable as a trader. There's nothing nice than trading and understanding the charts. So basically, this is what I was looking for. So right now, I'm gonna wait for this retest and probably take this trade. But anyways, we're gonna see what's happened. Let's go down to the 2 hour. So basically, yeah, on the 4 hour, we were able to achieve a retest, and yeah. So we have a bit of information, but basically what's going to happen is that if the market decides to go up, it'll come up here. Why is it coming up there? Because the market has to mitigate this imbalance. These terms might be confusing, I know, but just listen carefully. This is an imbalance. This is an imbalance. The market has to mitigate this, either one of this or this. So now we have to wait, not wait necessarily, but have to understand, or rather see which the market decides, which imbalance it decides to mitigate. Yeah, that's the English. That's the English. Okay, so let's continue with our analysis. Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down. Let's go down. A very beautiful strategy. There is no feeling, greater feeling than understanding what you're doing, guys. Give yourself time in Forex and then you'll just enjoy. You know, if you're doing something you love, you never work a day in your life. It just came out just right, man. Hit the subscribe button and tell me what you would like to see in the comment section. Okay, so now typically the market is going up. This is a live it's a live market though. That's a Tuesday, the 22nd of November 2022. I'm just doing a live market breakdown with you guys, just trying to help each and everybody out there. So in the 2 hour, there was nothing much that I saw interesting. So basically, the market is proving to be in an uptrend, as you can see. It's proving to be in an uptrend. Why am I saying that? We have lower high lows, what the market is doing, and we have high highs. You understand? There's this structure which was broken by this structure. You understand? So I'm expecting now the market to break the structure. Should it decide to go up, that's when the market to break the structure. Should it come here? You understand this charter. So going down to the tricky part here is to understand the transitions of the market. If you don't understand the transitions, then you can't go down. Because in the 1 hour, what I can tell you is that there is a potential downtrend, because as you can see now that the market here, the structure was broken by the structure. The structure was broken by the structure. This structure was broken by this. So now expecting the market to pull up until to this order block. Then we can take trades to the downside, break the structure, and extend our trend line. Hey, this is what I said. But I know if you don't understand, just tell me in the comment section. Yeah, I'll help you. I'll help you wherever you need help. So basically, that's what's happening. So in the 1 hour, I've achieved a downtrend, a beautiful downtrend. The overall structure is downtrend from the weekly of the market has been going down and down. So now it's a very good opportunity to take the sells because everything is going down. You have to trade the trend. Don't trade anything. It's good. It's better. It's some people might trade against the trend, of which it works for their strategy. And the other thing, don't be a cheater. Yeah. Don't be a cheater. Just stick to one partner. What do I mean by that? Have one trading strategy that works for you. Every strategy has its winning streak and has its losing streak. In your losing streak, make sure you don't panic. Make sure you don't get like frustrated. Just understand the phases. It's a roller coaster, bro. But eventually, you get to understand it better when you actually losing streak. So right now, I've marked out this order block right here. The order block. This order block now, which I expect the market to come up here and rejects from there, because so far this side the market is balanced. So now let me pull up my line chart so that I can use my Fibonacci again. This Fibonacci is not just the Fibonacci that you wanted has been altered to suit my strategy. So right now, why am I pulling it up? I want to see how far the market has retraced this impulse. So the market basically has to retrace at least more than 50% of this impulse so that it can come and reject. Usually, I would take this would be my first TP, second, and third. But because of this now, I've achieved that this now is support. So my TP would be at this previous low, this previous low. Basically, this is like 76% of this impulse, of which is a decent price. But then me, I'm adding up my confluences by what? By adding up Elo Kunjan. What do you call this? An order block with imbalance. This order block has an imbalance because there were only sellers in the market, no buyers. So the market has to come mitigate this imbalance so that it can continue in a healthy trend or at a balanced trade. What am I doing right now? I'm trying to filter out. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. There's nothing nice than knowing, bro. Knowing is the greatest thing. If you understand something, bro, you're gonna be on top of the world. So yeah, usually you understand. So now, as more like the more you go down, the better, or rather, the more you reduce your risk. You understand? So the reason I'm going down now, I might even go down to the 1 minute. Mind you, from the weekly time frame and how it transitioned, boy, oh boy, oh boy. The market was just telling us a story. So now, mark my word, please make sure you do a follow up on the market and tell me what you see in Borlo. So basically now the market, I'm expecting this. I would have taken the trade here. From here, this area is a sell zone, this one. This is entering the sell zone territory. But because I was now looking for sniper entries. So now from the 3 minutes going down to the 15, we are taking sniper entries. The Project X entries, bro. Like the Project X entries, the high school, the private school entries, bro. The private school entries. So right now, I gotta wait. It's on a Tuesday, but it might get here like anytime tomorrow or Thursday or something. But my strategy, we just we are patient, man. We are patient. We're patient. You know, we take those 10 pips. The market doesn't go against us more than 10 pips, trust me. We don't risk. I mean, all my trades are risk. If it's too much, the maximum is $100. You know, it's $100. And another thing, this is not a quick reach, get quick reach or whatsoever scheme. You have to be patient, you know, grow, be grateful, you know, be grateful. Stay out of this million thing. Flipping what to 50,000. Nah, take it easy, bruh. Make it 500 a day, call it a day. It's fine. Don't overtrade. You understand? Get out of this stereotype of wanting to get rich on a bike of 7 tomorrow. Hey, bro, you're gonna blow your money. Those guys, they don't tell you how many accounts they've blown. They won't tell you. Understand? They won't tell you. Again, we're still going down. Now I'm on the 5 minutes and I'm actually gonna place my entry, my sell limit. So basically, I've given you the whole strategy, And what you can do for me in return is to just study this shit, bro. Study this thing, study this thing, study this thing. You'll make it. I don't want to eat alone. Hence, I'm making these videos. I don't want to eat alone, man. So basically, this is the trade for Nasdaq, and this is what I'm gonna take. Mark my words. Right now, I'm gonna be patient and wait for the market to make me money. Project X. This is look at the risk reward. My God, look at the risk reward. So if you don't have patience, just go to sleep. This is not we are not testing waters. We know what we're doing. Look at the stop loss, bro. Not those 1:3 strategies, bro. This is like a 1:50 risk reward, bro. Like, look at this. So yeah. Until next time, this is not Nasdaq Market Breakdown with Project X. I love you all. To the sky and the beyond. Yeah, taking it to the sky and beyond this time around. Peace out.